Hey everybody, it's Mark Seabold here, owner and operator of Graveyard Run Restorations. I've been doing antiques for a little over 30 years and running Graveyard for a little bit over 20. I'd like to bring on a couple new techs. We've slowly over the years expanded our business, and I need a good couple techs with a good 20, 30 years experience that would like to be involved with our company. We do offer a pretty good competitive wages to who we hire in. We've brought in people from out of state quite a few times. So if you'd like to be a part of our team, take a look at the website, take a look at our YouTube videos, and see what you think of us. I'd like to bring on some new people. Give me a call.